Open the MS Word and then click here GPT for Excel Word. Now I will show you. This is I am using Microsoft 365 Office. So click here GPT for Excel and Word. And now if you are not find, click adds in and search right goes writer and add this option. Add option is available. You can see here. Now sign in with Microsoft account. Click here and sign in with your Microsoft account, and you will find here this is the prompt area. So right here, type here, provide title, text, description and hashtags for YouTube about Meghalaya tourist place of Living Road Bridge and Cherrapunji, and then click send. You can see here ChatGPT is generate the answer. Now copy and paste in the main sheet. So you can see title, text and also description and also hashtag. Now click here copy and paste here. Now open your YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, and customize and then go to your video. This is my video content, and this is my video title. This is the title, and copy the title, copy and paste here, and then also description, and this is the text and this is the description, copy and also now copy and go to the description and paste here, and now hashtag. This is the hashtag. Now copy and then minimize, paste here, complete, and now go to the again, and this is the show more, and then text, add text. So this is the text, copy and minimize and then click here. Now again I will show you. You can generate any other language. So here I am typing, translate the above statement into Bengali. You can generate any language, Hindi, Spanish, any language. So you can see here generation is complete. This is Bengali language. Now again copy. Here I am directly copy from this option. Now again paste here. You can see the description, copy paste, and then you can add more. This is the description, copy and paste here. You can see you can convert in any other language. I am just showing you example. So this is the text. So copy and I will paste in the text here. Now you can write as your requirement. Here I am writing Cockburn News and different. So in this way you can apply and optimize your YouTube channel videos. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you new in my channel, do subscribe. Thank you again.